Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable back to school hair bow. What you will need: the mini bow dapper bow maker. I have some adorable ribbon, 1.5 inches in width, and it's printed and it's so cute. It has school bus, eraser, and fun little designs like that. I have bow wire, a hair clip, 3/8 inch width ribbon, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is fold your bow wire in half and place it in the center of your bodabra. Then you're going to take your ribbon with the wrong side facing up and scrunch. Fold in half, bring the front and the back up and place it down. Just like that. And then you're going to make a loop. You can use the measuring tool on the bodabra to measure your loops. And once you have the exact measurement, you're going to scrunch and twist. And then place it in the center of the bodabra. The reason I am twisting is so that the right side of the ribbon is visible at all times. If you don't have a right and a wrong side of the ribbon, then you don't have to twist. And then make your loop on the other side, measure, scrunch, and twist. And then place it in the center of your bodabra. Use your wand to scrunch everything together. It looks so cute and precious. And now I'm just going to continue repeating the same steps for as many loops as I prefer. You can go with 4 or 10 or whatever you'd like. So I'm going to get my loops in place and show you what it's looking like. Alright, and I'm using my wand again because it's getting very thick. Scrunch it all together. And for the last loop, you do not have to twist the ribbon, just place it down. And then cut away the excess. So cute and precious, I decided to go with 4 loops on either side. I did make the last loop slightly smaller than the other 3. Take your bow wire, the 2 open ends inside of the loop. Hold your bow in place and give it a nice tug. And remove it from the bodabra. And then we're going to tie it in a knot a couple of times and cut away the excess. Alright, that looks good. Now we're going to take the ribbon, tie it in a nice knot, and try to keep only the right side of the ribbon visible as you tie your knot, just like that. And we're going to place it in the center of our bow. And you can hot glue it in place, or you can just tie it in a knot at the back of the bow. But either way would work. Okay, it looks so cute and precious. Now it's finally time to add our hair clip, and then we will be all done. Alright, so the hair clip is all done. Now we're just going to turn the bow to the back and use hot glue to place the clip on the back of the hair bow. And this is the finished product. So cute, precious, and perfect for school. Use whatever color, design, or patterns you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. So precious.